Good morning. So we are going to work on Social Security and Medicare. So that's for section 6.5. Our essential question is how can we calculate the Social Security, Medicare, and FICA taxes? Okay. So Social Security provides income. To retirees, and the earliest age that you can apply for Social Security is when you're 62. Okay. It also provides benefits to people who are disabled. Okay. So on chapter 5, we talked about cars. So if you became disabled due to a car accident, that would Social Security income would come into play for that. And then death benefits. Okay. So death benefits to surviving families. Okay. So the percentage is 6 2/10. Okay, and it became that after 1991. So it did change, and it could change again. If it changes, it will increase, more than likely increase. So the taxes are paid up to a certain limit. Okay. Okay, so Social Security is paid up to a certain limit, so it has a limit. Okay. Okay, and then we have Medicare. Okay, so Medicare provides health insurance for people over the age of 64, or if they're disabled and unable to work. The rate is 1 45/100%. Okay. The tax is paid on all the income. So there is no limit. Okay, with Medicare. Okay, there is a limit with Social Security, and there is not for that one. Okay, so then for Medicare. So FICA taxes, everybody. So if you look on your paycheck, you may see it like that. So it's the Federal Insurance Contribution Act. So Federal Insurance Contribution Act. So we didn't always have Social Security and Medicare. Okay. So FICA is Social Security plus Medicare. Okay, so it's both of them together. So on your paycheck, you may see it'll say FICA taxes, and that's where we put both of them together. Okay. So this one, so let's figure this out. So what if you wanted to figure out how much you need to pay? Okay. So Social Security is 6.2% of the income. And by the way, the income limit changes from year to year. It increases from year to year up to 17,640. Medicare is 1 45/100%. Okay. You made $73,210. Okay, and we want to know how much did you pay in FICA taxes. Okay, so let's break it down, everybody. Okay, so Social Security. Okay, so it's going to be all of it because you did not go to the limit. Okay, so remember the limit, so up to. So everybody always look. Okay, 73,000 is not more than 17,640. So we're going to use all of it for Social Security. Okay, so remember, drop the percent sign and go to the left. So we're going to multiply the Social Security tax percentage times the income. So we get $4,539, and this would be annual. And 2 cents, of course, we round to the cents place. Okay, and then let's look for Medicare. Okay, it's going to be 0.0145, so the percent is a decimal, times the income. So it would be $1,061.55. Okay. So if we're going to figure out FICA tax, Social Security plus Medicare. Okay, so we're going to add these two together. So the total amount paid would be $5,600.67. Okay. So what if you made $120,000? Okay. How much would you pay? Did you pay? And Social Security and Medicare. Okay. So everybody, 120,000 is more than 17,000. So for Social Security, we're going to have to do, so Social Security is going to be 0.0162 times 117,640. Okay, so we get $7,293,093.68. Okay, and then we're going to do Medicare. And Medicare, remember, is times all the income. So we're going to multiply our Medicare tax percentage times the full amount, the 120,000. Remember, there's no limit. So we get 1,740. Okay. For FICA taxes, we're going to add both of those together. And again, everybody, this is annual. So $9,033.68. So that would be for FICA. Okay. So if we wanted to write a piecewise function for this, for Social Security, so everybody, this is one that we could use. Okay, so we have the f of x. Okay, so x, everybody, is the income amount. So to have 0.062, x percentage is a decimal. When x is less than, the income is less than or equal to 117,640. And so we're going to have this amount. Okay. So it's $7,293.68, when the income is more than 117,640. Okay. Okay, everybody, so on to part 2 for this. Okay, so this is on page 139 in our book, 139, and this is section 6.5 continued. This is part 2. Okay, so we're going to use this table, everybody. So if we look at 1998 and we wanted to write a piecewise function for it, so 1998, okay, so f of x, that's the income. 0.0761, so that's the percentage. Okay, x, 45,000 is a limit, so when the income is less than or equal to 45,000. Okay, so we multiply the percent as a decimal times 45,000, and we get $3,379.50 when the income was more than 45,000. Okay, so what? Okay, so let's look at a different example. So in 1990, let's say your gross pay was 78.6K. Okay, we want to know what's your monthly pay. Okay, so remember everybody that we're going to have 1.86 times 1,000, 78,600. Okay, so just remember everybody, that's where we're getting that number from. Okay, so our monthly pay, so we're going to take it and we're going to divide 78,600. We're going to take and divide that by 12. Okay, so we get 6,550. Okay, so we're going to figure out your taxes for the month. Different color. So your monthly Social Security tax. $6,550 times 0.0765. So we got $501.08. Okay. And then we want to know what month, because the maximum amount is 51,300. So what month did you reach the maximum Social Security tax? This is something else so everybody have to keep track of, especially like if you change jobs. Okay, so 51,300 divided by the 6,550. We get 7.83, everybody. So that 83, right, is going to be in August. Okay, so remember it's going to be your maximum taxable income divided by your monthly income. Okay. So let's break this down a little bit more, everybody. So Social Security pay Okay, so in January, $501.08. Okay, so paid this January to July. Okay, in August, it's going to be $501.08 times the 0.83. So $414.90. Okay. So how much Social Security tax did you pay in September? So it would be 0. December, it would be 0. Okay. So this is something like to watch, like if you change jobs, because maybe you end up paying more in Social Security tax than you would need to. Okay. Everybody got this?